Hey folks, I'm John Laspina, carnivore teacher with my mini-series on saturated animal fats to cook with. And today's topic is lard, L-A-R-D. Lard is the word that we use for the fat that comes from the pig. Yes, the pig. Pork fat, preferably pasture-raised. When the pig is pasture-raised, the fat content is healthier. Pork fat is 35 to 40% saturated fat in the form of stearic acid and palmitic acid. Monounsaturated fat about 45 to 50%, high in oleic acid, similar to olive oil, and the polyunsaturated fat is a little higher in pork at 10 to 12%. It has some linoleic acid, especially if it's not pasture-raised pork. This is why a lot of carnivores and ketovores tell you to not eat pork every single day because you're getting too high omega-6 linoleic acid. I love pork, but I do limit my pork to maybe once a week, sometimes once every month. I just lowered my pork intake for that reason. I just like to get the best fat possible. Now, pork fat, very flavorful. Very delicious. Think bacon fat, right? Oh my gosh, it's smoked and that smoke gets into the fat. Pork fat is absolutely flavorful. Now, where do we get pork fat? You can buy pasture-raised lard from local farms, butchers, or online, just like when I bought my beef tallow. You know it's pasture-raised that way. It's kind of hard to find pasture-raised stuff in the grocery store when it comes to pork. You can render your own pork fat back or leaf fat. You can just take the fat and put it in the pan and save the grease. That's pork fat. It's delicious. Pork fat is kind of cool. I use it to cook my shrimp in. It makes shrimp phenomenal. I like it better than in butter or ghee or tallow. So I do use bacon fat, pork fat, to cook certain things. If you want to have a little extra flavor in your eggs, instead of using butter or ghee, use some of that bacon fat. Delicious. So very healthy as well. A little higher in omega-6s. That's why I don't have pork fat as much, but absolutely delicious. Tell me how you use or enjoy pork fat in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Click the thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, share with friends and family. Our next topic for the next quickie video is duck fat. See you then.